Very good morning. I am Dr. S.C. Ahila, MDS, Prosthodontics. I am currently working as professor in SRM Dental College, Ramapuram. I am applying for Best Dental Teacher Award at the national level in the specialty of dentistry. I was born to Mr. Late S. Sidambaranathan and Ms. N. Tangaplam in Agasthiswaram village, Kanyakumari district. I have studied my school from first standard to 12th standard in Tamil language at Government Higher Secondary School, Agasthiswaram, Kanyakumari district, Tamil Nadu. I was a school topper in 12th standard, also the educational district topper of Kanyakumari district in Tamil Nadu. I scored 9th rank in postgraduate dental entrance examination and got prosthodontic specialty and joined in Government Dental College at Chennai. I studied Bachelor of Dental Surgery and Master of Dental Surgery in prosthodontics at Tamil Nadu Government Dental College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Then I started my career as teacher in Sri Mookambika Institute of Dental Science, Kulasegaram, Tamil Nadu. And I worked as a reader in Raja's Dental College. Then I shifted my working place from Raja's Dental College to SRM Dental College, Chennai. There, I have brought more than 20,000 dentists in India and abroad also. Many of my students are highly placed as HODs and professors throughout India dental colleges they are working. Many students are practicing, they have well-established practice. I have done more than 80 publications, national and international uh, PubMed and Scopus Indus Journal. I have done many workshops and lectures in national and international level. I have received Best Dental Teacher Award in International Oral Health Dental Congress. Also, I received Best Dental Teacher Award by Smile Nation at Mumbai. I have published 2 textbooks, Rapid Viva Review in Clinical and Preclinical Prosthodontics to my credit. I have chaired many scientific sessions in national and international conferences. I have written many chapters in many national textbooks. And also, teaching is my passion. I have guided more than 20 postgraduates and published as a guide more than 80 publications. Then I have patented 7 new innovative projects. Among the 7 patents, 1 project was a granted patent. Currently, my postgraduates were presented many innovative table clinic at national and international levels and won many best papers and table clinics and posters in national international conferences. Teaching is my breathing. I want to share my knowledge till my last breath. My passion in prosthodontic dentistry is dental materials and maxillofacial processes. I have done many community healthcare camps for the public. Currently, I am guiding postgraduates and working in SRM Dental College as professor. Thank you. Jai Hind.